Updating your billing information on Bulletin 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Login. Access the Bulletin 2026 website and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and select the billing information section. This is where you can view and edit your payment details. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new details are recorded. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Bulletin 2026. Keeping your account details current helps prevent any interruptions in service.